Have you ever wondered how much your brain weighs? Well, here's a fun fact. The average human brain tips the scales at about 3 pounds. That's roughly the weight of a teapot. Now consider this. Your brain makes up just about 3% of your total body weight. Yet it's the powerhouse behind every function, every thought, every movement you make. So, despite being just 3% of our body weight, our brain remarkably governs every function of our body. Imagine a bustling city with billions of residents and trillions of connections. That's your brain. It's teeming with around 86 billion neurons, all sending and receiving signals through a vast network of synapses. These trillions of connections form a complex communication system, allowing electrical and chemical messages to zip across the brain in a blink. It's through these intricate networks that we perceive the world, make decisions, and even dream. With trillions of connections, our brain is a marvel of connectivity, enabling us to think, feel, and function. Did you know your brain is one of the most energy-consuming organs in your body? Despite its small size, it demands a staggering amount of energy to keep those neurons firing and your thoughts flowing. And speaking of neurons, these nerve cells communicate with each other through chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. These little guys are crucial for transmitting signals across the vast network of synapses in your brain. So, while it only accounts for 2% of our body's weight, our brain consumes a whopping 20% of our energy. What if I told you your brain could hold 1,000,000 gigabytes of information? Astonishing, right? Our brains have a memory capacity equivalent to approximately 2.5 petabytes. That's a whole lot of selfies. Not just that, our brain processes information at a speed of up to 120 meters per second. Ever wondered about dreams? They're still a mystery, but believed to play a key role in consolidating memories and processing emotions. Our brain, with its immense storage capacity and lightning-fast processing speed, truly is the ultimate supercomputer. Scene script. Are you ready to explore some unique and intriguing features of our brain? Let's dive right in. One such feature is the phenomenon of phantom limb sensation. This occurs when individuals continue to feel sensations or pain in a limb that's no longer there, a testament to the intricate mapping system of our brain. Then we have language processing. This primarily takes place in the left hemisphere for most right-handed folks, while it could occur in either hemisphere for those who are left-handed. Our brain also produces electrical patterns known as brain waves, observable through a technique called electroencephalography. Next up, mirror neurons. These brain cells fire not only when we perform an action, but also when we see someone else carrying out the same action, playing a key role in empathy and imitation. Finally, we have neuroplasticity, the brain's incredible ability to adapt and reorganize itself in response to learning and environmental changes. From experiencing sensations in a missing limb to adapting itself, the brain's unique features never cease to amaze us. Your lifestyle choices can significantly impact your brain's health and functioning. Physical exercise, for instance, plays a crucial role in enhancing cognitive function and reducing the risk of cognitive decline. It's like taking your brain to the gym, keeping it active and agile. Similarly, playing a musical instrument can also lead to enhanced cognitive abilities. It's not just about creating beautiful melodies, but also about structuring your brain in a way that improves your memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. Moreover, the brain, being composed of about 60% fat, relies heavily on essential fatty acids for its proper functioning. Omega-3s, for instance, are vital for maintaining brain health. Then we have the amygdala, our emotional processing center. It plays a key role in our fight-or-flight response, helping us react to threats and danger. So remember, a healthy lifestyle not only keeps your body fit but also enhances your brain's performance.